Buongiorno bella. I'm in Italy. Today the fun starts. Gonna meet so many amazing girls on this trip too, and I'm very excited. I got in last night, everyone else arrived this morning, so I stayed in this gorgeous little hotel. I'm about to head off, meet everyone, and then we're gonna go to the Amalfi Coast. Stopping off for this photo. Oh, look at this view. I just walked into my room. The receptionist just gave me a tour of my room. Like, that's how... What is going on? Ready? I walked in, right? And I'm like, wait, this is not a hallway. This is my room. And then this is my bathroom. What is going on? Okay. And then I'm like, look at this. It's my bed. I've got my own sitting room. I haven't even looked in here. This is my like wardrobe. I've got some outfits ready to wear, which is unreal. Look at my dresses. Oh my god! I don't have any words. What is going on? I don't understand. This is crazy. Okay, now look at the... I have my own terrace. Like... Guys. What is going on? I feel like an actual princess. What the hell is going on? So I very quickly gotten dressed into my first outfit of today. Everything will be on my Instagram as well as linked in the description, like direct links, because I'm here with Reward Star, so obviously everything will be in a Reward Star link. So I've just got some like wedgie sandals on and this gorgeous dress. Fenty Beauty on my body, so hopefully I'm like glowing right now. But I'm gonna go meet everyone on the terrace. You can kind of see how this looks. So I'm gonna go meet everyone, get some drinks, get some photos. I'm so excited. I just ran back into my room because we've got maybe like half an hour before dinner, and instead of doing a normal thing, getting ready, I want to just go find my drawer. Because why not? So as you saw, I was wearing this one in my last shoot. I've just taken off my necklace and my shoes, but as I said, every single outfit is on my Instagram or linked below. This is from ASOS and I love it, and I'm so excited to fly my Mavic. So I have fully charged her, but they always need updating when you use them. So I don't know how the light's looking, but we'll try. I'm having a hair mare. An actual hair mare. I'm late. It's just not cooperating with me no matter what I do. Just gonna have to deal with it being straight again. So I'm wearing a gorgeous, my belt's not done up yet, but I'm wearing a gorgeous dress, which is from Nasty Girl. I feel like a sunrise. Ronda, like a sunrise. Okay. I need to go downstairs and get someone to help me with this. Oh, hello, bro. Got some wedges on. I was gonna wear some black heels, but they looked a bit emo. So that's not happening. All right, let's go. Literally, okay, I just had a bath in this and I felt like I was in heaven. So we are today going to head out, get vintage Fiat 500s, go on a bit of an adventure. I'm so excited. Dinner last night was like stunning, as you saw. So incredibly beautiful. I love the crew on this trip. We have really cool influencers, bloggers, and we have an amazing photographer and videographer, and it's like the first time I've had a videographer and it makes me so excited. But they're like incredible. And the girls here are so sweet, so nice. So I'm having a great time. Today's gonna be a very like full action-packed day, which is great. And then we're going on like a sunset cruise, we're doing some beach shots too. Then we have like a sunset dinner. That's right, go. I think with this outfit, which I'll show you in full in a sec, I'm gonna take this little bag. How cute is this? I love how like summery I feel. Like this is a big change going from like gloomy Brighton, it's been like raining and everything every day, to like little beachy things. I always forget to pack scissors. I think this is the only way I can show you. I've actually had to borrow today's outfit from someone else on the trip because some of my clothes didn't arrive, but it's very sweet. Second best infinity pool in the world. Second best. I mean, how's this not the first? Look at it. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Like, I'm genuinely, I don't know what to say in these vlogs. I'm just like, wow. Wow. went well. Now I think I'm gonna shoot with Louis, who's a videographer, which you guys are obviously gonna see those bits in this video. But we're going on a sunset boat cruise after this. I mean, yeah. Wow. I've got my favorite playlist on. But quickly, outfit change again. So now I am little red number from Boohoo, and I've just got my Gucci's on with it. I think every time I come on to vlog, I feel like all I've done is been like, oh my god, wow, oh my god, wow. But hello, I feel so like in my element. Like, I love it here. Oh, and perfume of the trip for this trip is the Jo Malone Honeysuckle and Divana. Look how much I've gone through. My fave. Sadly, now time for the last final dinner. My wake up call tomorrow is at 6 AM, so it's gonna be a fun one. It's a play suit from Topshop. It's really cool, these little ruffles, and I've just got some like booty wedges on. Saddest moment. I had to say all my goodbyes to the crew and the people because I have a I have a 6 AM wake up call tomorrow to get back to Gatwick. I had the best time, like honestly it was such a good trip. I'm very sad to leave. I'm just trying to find a way to like hide in the wardrobe so that I can stay here forever and no one knows that I've gone. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you enjoyed the new style, the more outfitty style of it. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, have an amazing day and I love you.